All right, let's talk about closing apps on iPhone. Because unlike Android, iPhone does not actually have a single button for closing all your apps at once. Apple designs iOS to manage RAM and background tasks automatically. Whatever apps you have open in the background are usually frozen in a low power state when you're not using those apps. But if you do want to close apps manually, you can, of course. Swipe up from the bottom of your display and stop about halfway up. If you swipe too much and nothing happens, you'll just go back to the home screen. So, swipe up, stop halfway, and you'll land on this view, where you can close an app by simply swiping it upwards. Like I said, there's no way to close them all at once, but you could use 2 fingers to close multiple apps at the same time, or even 3 fingers if you're handy enough. I'm not that handy myself, but that's how you could quickly close a bunch of apps. Now, Apple actually doesn't recommend closing your apps unless an app is frozen, unresponsive, or crashing. Force closing apps like this actually uses more battery than letting them idle in the background. The reason being that when you close an app and reopen it from scratch, your CPU has to reload everything from the ground up, instead of just waking the app from that low-power frozen state. So usually, it's totally fine to leave apps sitting in the background. They're not consuming meaningful memory or battery just sitting there. The only real situation where I'd manually close an app is if it's crashing, freezing, or otherwise misbehaving. Anyways, that's how you close your apps. Click that like button if this helped, share with a friend, and subscribe for more. Thanks all!